and welcome back to my channel. I have some new deliveries today, so I'm going to do this portion a little bit different. So my first box, let's see what I got. Oh, it's my, oh, it's, let's see. Okay, I got my Ouidad. Anyway, it's the Curl Quencher Moisterizing Gel, so I don't have to use Eco Gel anymore. And I got Olaplex. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, Olaplex, and this is number 3. Number 3. And this is for hair perfection, for blondes, for any colors, and it just repairs and strengthens all hair types. But let me go back to this so I can focus this a little bit more. See, Curl Quencher. All right, that's just one box. And of course I am going to test out these products. Uh-oh, this came in the box with the cover off. Maybe it couldn't fit in there or something. Okay, this is the Paul Mitchell. Let me put this on. It is the Paul Mitchell. And this is the Paul Mitchell Flexible Flexible Style Sculpting Foam. And I was trying to read what this sticker says. So is it 3 things that I ordered? I thought it was more. I thought it was like 4 things. The Paul Mitchell gel, the Ouidad, and this. This all expensive. This was like around 28, 26. This was, I gotta check my receipts, but I think this was, what was the Ouidad? I think also in the 20s, or maybe 15, 17. And Paul Mitchell, you can look it up. And I got everything off Amazon. So of course, you know what that means. It is another hairstyle with my blonde, testing out these new products. And just to make a correction, you don't use olive oil when you have blonde. So I can't use my Eco Gel that has olive oil in it, or any olive oil is not good for your hair. And I did speak with my hairdresser, and this is a process, guys, so it won't stay like this. I have to go back when there's 1.5 inches new growth to get it colored some more to get it lighter. Every hairdresser is different, so that's what I'm gonna try out, because this is not the color that I wanted. I wanted it to be a little bit more platinum, so we'll see. But I have to do with what I have right now. So that being said, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing on Not Too Late Natural Hair, and I am going to use it soon. Well, I've already shampooed and conditioned my hair, and I hope you saw my unboxing where I have 3 new products that I'm going to try today. Well, first up is the Olaplex. Now, I don't know if I should have washed my hair or not. It says use before shampooing. Okay, so obviously I'll try this next time, because I don't have time for that anyway. So anyway, I'll try that one next time. So what I actually have today is the Sculpting Foam by Paul Mitchell and the Ouidad Curl Quencher. So that's what I'm going to do right now. This is the moisturizing gel. Actually, the leave-in conditioner was a lot of money for me, and I don't want to spend a lot of money on stuff that I'm not, you know, like I said before, you've been following me for a while. Why can't people just make it in small stuff so we can see? This is the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. I'm just going to use a little tiny bit and rub it through my hair. If you've been with me almost a year, you know that my hair has grown. See? I'm like shocked about it sometimes. And because since turning blonde, I don't know, it's funny. I feel like I could just leave my hair like this. Like my hair is more curlier as a blonde. I don't know. Okay, and let me get leaving the oil, and then I'm gonna do these two. I'm gonna do Aveda Dry Remedy Daily Moisturizing Oil, and it is for hydration as well. And I like using this when I'm a blonde, just a little bit, and rub it through my hair. Comment and let me know, like, if you guys have used any of these products before. Just let me know. Just because I'm blonde doesn't mean that you can't watch, because even though I wasn't blonde, I still was watching blonde videos because I knew I wanted to go back to it. I ran into someone today and they were like, oh, you're back. Like, oh, your blonde is back. I was like, okay, yeah. I love my blonde. I love my regular hair too. Okay, so I don't know which one to try first. Okay. I am just going to use a little bit of the gel. And at this point, I'm just going to shape the sides and the back. And that's why I have my towel here to dry off my hands, because some of these products are so slippery. Okay. And the dogs are gonna go crazy because the garage just went up. Okay, so the Sculpting foam. Oh, just a little bit. Now I realized the first time I just left my hair like this, the curls shrank a lot versus when I twisted it up. So let's do a reenactment of this style. That's what they were saying to do on some of the products. I am not a bang person, especially in the summertime. And it's not especially in no hot Atlanta already state that it's hot. So do you see that the curls are more defined using these products? I don't know if you can see it, but it's just a trial and error, people, what I'm doing. And it doesn't have to be blonde, it could be for any color. So let me just get the brush. Okay. Oops. I'm filming. I don't want to touch it too much because it will frizz up. My hair is still natural. Okay. I think I like it. Like, I don't know. I don't know. How does it look? Should just leave it as is. I kind of like this a little bit. But it's how your curls fall too. So, and right here, I'm like, before I went blonde was thin. So, it's interesting. Okay, it's gonna be a quick video, I hope. If I stop yapping. Okay. Okay, I am going to air dry it and let's see how it looks. Probably in the morning, but for now, this is how it looks. Let me wipe off some because I have excess product here. Okay, this is it. All right, guys, thank you for watching Not Too Late Natural Hair. And I think I'm running out of, it's not too late. There's so many things in life that you can do, start doing. Just remember, it's not too late to start doing it. Okay, guys, my lovelies, thank you for watching. I hope you're enjoying 2019 so far. It's only a couple of days, a few days in. We're in the second week. Can you believe that? The second week of January already. Wow. Okay, guys. When I return, it will be the dried hair.